Happening right now, a judge is deciding if Notre Dame violated an Indiana law. This stems from the university's refusal to turn over police records requested by ESPN.
And the media giant is now suing the university because of it. WSBT-22's Kelly Stepczynski sat in on a court hearing in that case today. Kelly, lawyers on both sides presented arguments to the judge.
And Rick, it all comes down to how Judge Stephen Hochstetler interprets Indiana's Access to Public Records Act and whether Notre Dame's security police department is required to release information included in that law. Notre Dame is asking him to dismiss the case. ESPN's lawyer wants the judge to order Notre Dame's police department to release reports the media organization requested last fall. Those reports are related to incidents, logs, and arrests involving student athletes. The Notre Dame Police Department wants to focus on this control issue and the notion that they are essentially acting on the trustees' power, said ESPN's Indianapolis attorney today in court. The truth is, Your Honor, that is not true. The police department is exercising the power of the state of Indiana to arrest. But a lawyer representing Notre Dame told the judge this department does many things that don't have a lot to do with the powers incurred by state statute. This case creates a slippery slope. For years, media outlets, WSBT included, have requested records from Notre Dame's police department. And for years, the state's public access counselor sided with the university, saying it's private and protected from releasing that information. But in January, the current counselor said, in his opinion, arrest records should be released, and if the police department has them, it is violating state law by not releasing them. A South Bend lawyer who deals with public access law often tells me we can count on this case to set a precedent because whoever loses will likely appeal. He believes Indiana's Court of Appeals and the Supreme Court should review this case, and here's why he says you should pay attention to it.
The public wants to have information on what an entity is doing that has such power over them. Arrest, create criminal records, etc. At the same time, the public might also feel like private, especially religiously affiliated institutions, should not be subject to the same kind of laws that we subject our city council to, or a county council, or the state government.
The judge says he plans to issue an opinion April 20th. Notre Dame is asking for the case to be dismissed, and ESPN wants the judge to order the police department to release those specific records and pay fines specified under the law. Jennifer.
Kelly.